Hey guys, it's Tony again at Dittmar Road in Austin, Texas. After the southbound train has parked here, uh, Amtrak's about to start to pass by, and it's already going through the station, and this thing is going fast. Here comes Amtrak. This little quick train with got 4 or 5 cars, dude. That's coming in. Here comes Amtrak. Yep, here comes Amtrak. There he goes. There we go. There goes the northbound Amtrak Texas Eagle 22 plus a little horse over there. Southbound freight train is gonna wait on a northbound freight to go by, and then we'll see what I have to do after the northbound freight goes. But if it's gonna be there for a while, then I'm gonna have to leave. But expect some northbound trains to be around anyway. But I'm gonna do anything I can up to 11:15 or so. So, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.